Okay, all right. How about a little yell of happiness? Jubilation. Okay, is everybody, okay. How's everybody doing? Oh man, oh, tragic. Let's see if you guys can beat me, okay? How's everybody doing? There you go, much better, good. All right, so before we go on, just like to do a couple things. I introduce ourselves, Kalpuri Yasinoshli, warriors of the first prickly pear or cactus flower. And what you see here are dances, drumming, culture, traditions that is hundreds and hundreds, perhaps thousands and thousands of years old. Dances that have been passed down generation to generation, grandfather to grandson, grandmother to granddaughter, and so on and so forth through hundreds and hundreds of years. So what you see here, does anybody know, anybody ever heard of the Mexica before? Raise your hand if you've heard of the Mexica. Mexica, anybody? Okay, like 2 of you. Okay, how many have heard of the Aztecs? Okay, a lot more of you, actually 90% of you have heard of the Aztecs. Okay, the correct name of the Aztecs, is the Mexica. 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 So a whole country of 130 million people was named after us, after our ancestors, the Mexica. Anybody guess what country that is? Exactly. Change that A of Mexica to an O, and you get Mexico. Mexico. In Nahuatl, in the language, in our language, language of the Mexica. Nahuatl. Mexico. Okay, after the Mexica. So we are families here. We are friends. We are people from the community of our culture, of our dances, with you. So what I would like to do now is I would like to invite you to come down and join the dancers, because I like to teach you a very short dance. A very short dance. You're not going to be dancing 200 miles an hour like you just saw us. You're going to be dancing 2 miles an hour. Okay, slow, okay? So, everybody come on down. Okay, anybody can come, children, young adults, grandparents, all ages. We're intergenerational. We have grandmother over here, okay? A grandmother, 70 years old. Just kidding. No, she's not 70. She's 59. 59. Okay, grandma. And then we have our youth, our babies, all our adults that are here learning these ways. So come on down. I'm gonna teach you a very quick dance. It'll take like 5 minutes. Come on down and come and learn a little bit of Mexica dancing with us.